Sir, narating niyo na po yung rurok ng tagumpay. Ngayon po, ano po ba yung further goals niyo po?
Hindi, palagay ko, nobody will be able to achieve the rurok of their tagumpay. Because life is a commission, diba? And you keep on doing it.
Yes.
Diba? It's just that you find comfort in what you're doing. Diba? You find comfort in what you're doing. So, basically, halimbawa, I'm retirable.
Yes.
Sabi ko nga doon sa mga software group, sabi ko alam niyo bakit ako nagpapakabata rito? Kasi I have to be young in knowing the technologies and everything. That is because I have a goal. And the goal is to reach out. And that's why we have Gawad Tulay. We provide bridges for people. We provide them kung ano yung hindi nila lalaman. Akala nila pera, pero hindi. It's up in here. So, yeah, day in, day out, you keep on doing it until you die. Until your last days. And those people will tell you so. So, walang katapusan. At saka, and I bet you, hindi titigil si Ramon ang sa kaka-business.
Yes.
Diba? Si Honorable Henry C. Matanda na, pumipili pa rin ng sapatos eh. Diba? So, and name it all. All of them are because it's a lifestyle.
Lifestyle. Opo, totoo.
Diba? Once you find your goal, once you find your being, now it becomes a lifestyle.
Yes.
And that lifestyle is supposed to be comfortable to you.
Yes.
Because you have your firm belief in it. So, I think that's what you missed as a question.
Yes. Ano po?
Palagay ko, ang calling ko kasi is to be a mentor.
Yes.
And I do not mentor in public. I only mentor in private people. And I've done several, including the offspring of the rich people.
Wow.
It's just that we have to keep it private because I don't think I'm an effective mentor for mass.
Yes.
I can only do mentoring for individuals because I dig deep down into their core. So, basically, I think I will die being a mentor also.
Oh my God, nakakatawa po ako.
So, ayun, parang ganun lang siya. Walang kita doon.
Yes.
Hindi kaya yaman doon. But, halimbawa, out of gratitude ng rich father na yun, binigyan ako ng 2-year PO. Siyempre, hindi naman pwede pera ang ibigay sa akin kasi meron naman akong kaya. Pero yung PO na yun will keep my
employees,
next generation alive. Diba? So, parang ganun lang siya in general rule.
Nakakatuwa po na talagang sa mga skill set po na nag-gather nyo all throughout your life po. Ang goal nyo na ngayon is ma-share na, makatulong ng iba. Marating po narating niya.
Pero alam mo ba kung ano ang guide ko?
Apo.
Lahat ng pinagkwentuhan natin, I bet you, mahanap nyo sa Bible. Walang biro. Walang biro. Hindi ako it depends on how you look at the book.
Yes.
Okay? And I'm not sounding religious about it, even though I'm a religious man. Yes. But I am telling you, for example, paano ka mananaginip na umasenso kung wala kang faith?
Apo.
Diba?
Apo.
Fake yung panaginip mo. Pero kung ang isang tao nasanay na nagdadasal ako kay Lord at meron akong inihintay na sagot, masasanay kang maniwala. Masasanay kang maghintay. Masasanay kang maging patient. Masasanay kang trabahuhin yun. And the result is normal.
Yes.
Kasi it will happen in that way.
Apo.
And of course, kung ang Diyos nakita ang isang tao talagang hardworking day in, day out, o overtime ka para lang mangyari yung isang bagay, paano ba naman hindi mangyayari yun?
Opo.
Okay? So, lahat yan, nandoon na yan. And sometimes, it's so hard for me to teach people who has not even touched the book because, sige nga, define faith. You cannot
Opo, mahirap.
Imagine mo, sabi ko sa'yo, Sebastian, maniwala ka sa akin, uunlad ka as a podcaster. But if you don't know how to have faith, paano?
Opo.
Baka 1 linggo ka palang nagutom, ayawan na. Diba? Meron lang magsabi sa'yo, pare, hindi ka marunong mag-interview,
Opo.
ayawan na.
Hindi po. Di
Iba-
tayo suko.
Tapos iba na naman ang next year, pag nagkita tayo, gitarista ka na. Sir, tumutugtog ako sa banda eh. Ito ngayon ang bagong
Pero medyo
gig ko.
nagbabanda po talaga ako.
Kaya nga. Tapos pag dating na naman ng next year, iba na. Sir, nagbebenta ako ng insurance eh. Dahil lang patakbo-takbo ka kasi wala kang faith,
Opo.
wala kang career.
Totoo po.
Diba? So, ayun sabi ko nga, irregardless kung maniwala ka ba about divinity, even though I will tell you it's a must,
Yes, opo.
but the fact that you are not going through a training of faith,
Opo.
you will be easily washed out.
Kids, opo.
Diba? Kasi sabi niya lang, pare, ang pangit mo tumugtog. Wala na, magbabago ka
Opo,
na ng
opo.
career. Diba?
Ang paniniwala ko po dyan, yung true will po yung term ko dyan na parang yung will mo po, yung willpower ng gusto mong gawin, yung purpose mo sa buhay, isa rin yung purpose ni God. So,
Mhm.
dapat aligned kayo ng will ni God at saka ng will mo para
now,
mangyari yung...
now you're repeating the success mode at I'm
Opo.
telling you.
Opo.
You see?
Totoo po.
Pagka tumanda ka, you will understand that success. Pagka yun pala ang will ni God at yun din ang naging will ko, automatic makikita ng taong bayan.
Opo.
Everybody will call you, pare, may wedding kami. Tumugtog ka naman. Pare, meron kami kasal dito. Meron kami birthday party. Meron kami anniversary. Everybody will keep on calling.
Nakakatawa po.